I'm inside right now with my mini ladder, and I want to be able to use my ladder inside safely and make sure I don't damage my floors. So first I'm going to steady the ladder against something safe. A heavier ladder, you're going to usually want to put it on the ground. This is a very light ladder, so I know it's not going anywhere. I then want to take my throw towel, and I want to throw this down on anything, well, especially where I'm going to be placing the ladder, but any kind of hardwood that you might think you might drip on. I then want to take the ladder and I want to open it right here. I want to make sure it's steady. As you can see, it's not steady. I'm not going to get on that ladder because I might fall. Make sure your legs are down. We're steady now. I want to step on, test it. I like it. The reason why I'm talking about this mini ladder inside is because you don't want to take a chance of getting on your countertop and reaching and doing all this and that and this and that. It's uncomfortable and it's just not how you should do it. You want to make sure you got the leverage. If I have to get up here and get down on it like that, that's what you need to do. Mostly you just want to be, like I said, up close and personal with your window. So that does it for the inside usage of the ladder. Make sure that you're not touching your blinds. Once again, your hands are very dirty. And that does it for all the ladder movement and inside ladder usage. Next, more tips on how to get your windows clean.